नमस्कार दोस्तों। एग्जामाइन वेदर द फॉलोइंग आर पॉलीगॉन्स इफ एनी वन एमोंग देम इज नॉट, से वाई। हमें ये बताना है कि ये जो शेप दिए हैं ये पॉलीगॉन हैं या नहीं हैं, इसका आंसर देना है। तो हाउ कैन यू examine these are polygon or not? So this is the question number 1 of exercise 5.8, that is chapter 5, understanding elementary shape. So first diagram, you can see that there are so many line segment, but this is not closed shape. Since this is not closed, therefore this is not a polygon. So the answer of the part number A, not a polygon. For the second part, this is a closed figure bounded by line segments. Yes, this is a polygon. You can say that, yes, it is polygon. And next number, dear, part number C. There are no any line segment. This is a shape made by a curve, so it is not a polygon. Or your answer is not polygon. And for part number D, this is a curve and this one is a line segment, but here is a curve, therefore this shape is not a polygon. Your answer is not polygon for part number D. And after that, now question number 2, name each of the polygon. Okay, so in this part number A, how many line segment? 1 2 3 4, and the polygon bounded by 4 line segment is known as quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral. So part number A, this is a quadrilateral. Now here you observe how many line segment? 3 line segment. So the answer of this question is triangle. This polygon, name of this polygon is triangle. After that, you can see that part number C. This is how many line segment? 1 2 3 4 5. So this polygon is a pentagon. Answer of this question is pentagon. And after that, the last part D, you can count how many line segments are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this shape have 4 line segment and your 8 line segment. So your answer is, this is a octagon. So this is the answer of this question. Regular polygon, a polygon whose all sides are equal in length is known as regular polygon. For example, let us equilateral triangle. Number 2 is square. Number 3 regular pentagon. Etc. These all are known as regular polygon because all sides are equal in length. Now here question number 3 of exercise 5.8. The question says that draw a rough sketch of regular hexagon. So dear, regular hexagon, how can you draw? You can take any measurement in your scale, like that 1 centimeter, like that 2 centimeter, like that 3 centimeter, and draw here just like that. Then this type of diagram is known as the regular hexagon. In this regular hexagon, you can measure, you can observe all sides are equal. A, B, C, D, E and F. These all sides are equal. Therefore, this hexagon is known as a regular hexagon. Now question says that draw or join any two vertices of this regular hexagon and identify that triangle you get which type. Let's here we join these 2 points. So you will get a triangle ABC. Can you identify which type of this triangle? This side and this side is equal. But this side is equal to this? No. It means if 2 sides are equal, then that triangle is known as isosceles triangle. So question says that identify that triangle and name it. So there, if you join A to C, after joining vertices A to C, we get a triangle it is isosceles triangle. Why? Because 2 sides are equal and third side is not equal. So this type of triangle you can get isosceles triangle. And if you join this point A to E, then again you will get the isosceles triangle. Okay? If you join this point, then again you will get the isosceles triangle. If you join any 2 vertices of this hexagon, then you will get conformly that triangle is isosceles. Yes dear, I put once again, you can draw a regular hexagon by taking the measurement 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter. Let's here we take 2 centimeter. So draw, this is the 2 centimeter and just opposite of this line segment, that is again 2 centimeter, and here is 2 centimeter. After that, just opposite of this is 2 centimeter, and join this by another line segment, and this is also 2 centimeter. So you will get the regular octagon, and you can draw this octagon also by using the square paper. What to do in the square paper? In the square paper, if you join by 2 squares simultaneously by adjoining each vertex, you will get the regular hexagon. Otherwise, you can select 3 squares also for each line segment. 3 square, 3 square, 3 square, and again for 3 square. Okay, so that octagon is known as regular octagon because all line segment of that octagons are equal. Now question says that join 4 vertices and get a rectangle. So there is only this one case. If you join this line segment, these 2 vertices, means let us the name of these vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and that's it. So if you join C and H, B and G, then you will get a geometrical shape known as rectangle. Yes. So you will get a rectangle here by joining the vertices C to H and D to G, we get a geometrical shape known as rectangle. So here CBGH is a rectangle when you join these vertices. So this is the question 4. In this question number 5, question says that draw a pentagon. So let's here this is the base line and this one is another line segment and this one is the third line segment. Total line segments are 3. But in the pentagon, how many line segments are 5? So 2 more line segments we draw edge, just like that you can see here. So this geometrical shape is known as pentagon. And that's the name of this pentagon is A, B, C, D and E. These are the vertices of the pentagon. And here you can draw the diagonal. This is it. A and C. If you join A and C, then you will get a diagonal. That is diagonal AC. Diagonal number 1 AC. If you join A to D, then you will get one more diagonal. That is diagonal number 2 AB. And if you join E to C, then you will get another diagonal, that is EC. And if you join D to B, then you will get one more diagonal. So this is D and B. These all are the diagonals of this pentagon.
Sir,
And
A and
if you
B.
join E to B, then this is once again a more diagonal, that is BE. So this is the question number 5. Okay dear.